Hello and welcome to a tutorial from iTeach What's Your Superpower. Today I'm showing you how to create a signature and then stick it in Blogger so it shows up every time you post. I'm starting out on my blog, on my fake blog, and what I'm going to do is grab this header because I want to select the colors from my blog. So I'm going to right click on it, copy image address. I'm going to hop over to Pixlr, open photo editor, open image from URL, and I'll paste that in. And it'll open it right up for me. I'm going to grab, using this color picker tool, it looks like an eyedropper, I'm going to grab the orange of the text, and then I'm going to come over here and stick it in the first palette slot. I want a blue also for another design element to add to my signature. However, there are a lot of various shades of blue in here because that's a textured background. So I'm going to double click on this large main color box and come over here and click on image. And what that does is it brings up all the colors and various shades in your image. So I can easily grab a blue that will work. I'll grab this one. And then I'm going to come over here and stick that in a palette slot. I'm done with this blog header now, so I'll close it, create a new image. I'm going to go with 200 by 100. You can use whatever size you want. That's just kind of a good, reasonable medium size. And I'm ready for my text. Type my name. Need to set my font and my sizing and my color. Come over here and grab that orange. Use my move tool up here to move that around. And it's pretty plain right now. So I'm going to come over to my layers list and right click on the text layer and go to layer styles. And I'm going to go to outer glow. And you see it's assigned this blue color to it, but let me click on that. I can adjust the color. Come over here and grab this blue that I had before. And I'm going to adjust, this is the hardness. Right now it's a glow, so it has some transparency to it. So I'm going to bring it on all the way up and make it a solid line. And I can adjust the sizing on it also. So that's a much more visually interesting signature. You can add other things to it if you have access to your digital elements kit that if you use to create your own website. I'll show you. It should open my kit. Let's see. Yes. So if this was mine, for real, I might put this piece behind the text. That would be cute. Or I might make a box out of this chevron and add in this flower next to it. But if you don't have access to it, that's okay. This is a perfectly good way to do that. Now we need to save it. And this is very important. You need to change it from JPEG to PNG. Do you see how it says transparent? When it was a JPEG, you have that white background, and that's going to show up on your blog. If you have a white background, it's not a really big deal. But if you have anything that's not flat white, then that box is going to show up, and it's not going to look very good. So save it as a PNG file. Okay, now we're going to hop on over to Photobucket, and looks like they have naked women this morning. That's nice. We're going to go to Upload, and we'll select our photo. We've got to host it somewhere online. Photobucket's just a really easy place to do that. We also need the HTML code for that. So Photobucket's another really easy place to get that from. So here is my image there. I'm going to check to download it. If you have lots, you can select all here, but we just have one. So you don't have to watch the whole commercial. It cuts off when it's finished downloading. Here's my signature, and here's what I need. I need this HTML code. So if I just click in the box, it copies it for me. Now I'm ready to go back to Blogger. And I'm going to, you'll be surprised at how easy this is. I'm going into Settings, Posts and Comments, Add Post Template, and I'm going to paste that code in. Now, do you see how this Save Settings isn't highlighted? I don't know why. You just have to kind of click outside the box or whatever, and then it comes and it's active. Save Settings. Now, if I go to write a post, watch what happens. There's my signature. It's there waiting for me, so I'm going to space down a little bit, and I'm ready to start typing my post, and I've got my signature there and waiting for me. I hope this was helpful. If you have any questions, please leave a comment or send me an email.